Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. Discover the eerie mystery of the Russian ghost radio station, UVB-76, also known as the Buzzer. Broadcasting since the late 1970s, this enigmatic shortwave signal transmits a monotonous buzzing sound with occasional cryptic messages. Believed to be a relic of the Cold War, UVB-76 has fascinated listeners worldwide. Is it a military command station, a spy network, or something even more mysterious? Stay tuned to hear the chilling sound of the buzzer and delve into one of the strangest audio mysteries on Earth.